There are various students with no prior coding background. So
Mhm.
how they can start their journey into IIT?
Okay. You want like if a person who is not into the IT background, they want to get into the IT background, right?
Yeah, actually, having no coding background.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay. So my first question would be, why do you want to get into an IT, right?
Okay.
It may be curiosity, it may be compensation, it may be the work balance it provide in the organization, it may be the hierarchical structure, or like you want to work into the emerging technologies, you want to have something to build for, to think for, right? There are a lot of reasons. I'm not going to ask for reason. I would just generalize how do you get an entry? Okay. First, decide what you want to do. Do you want to work with the senior managers or senior leadership who is involved in getting into the ideation part? Like they want to ideate what you need to develop. What is the vision? How are you making progress into a particular product? What new features you're gonna install into a product, right? If you want to do that thing, I think the business administration course is best for that. Okay, whatever that you're doing bachelor's, you are going for master's, it's okay. Do that, get the entry and do the work. The second part is that you want to get entry into the coding part, right? There are two ways. First, I explained is that at least you know one language to get the entry, right? There is a second part, which is currently an emerging technologies. So what we call it as a low code technologies. What it requires is that there are persons who don't know how to do the coding, how to do the core coding, I would say, using the languages like JavaScript, Python, C, C++, C Sharp, .NET, and all that. So if you want to get into the entry into IT in the coding part, there is a low code platform. There is Power BI, there are Power Pages, Power Applications, Power Automate by Microsoft, and all. What they do is that they would help you get into doing the IT work, same as the what the coding people do, but in terms of using the less and less code. It's like drag and drop. You want to create a picture, either you should be very good at drawing something, either you should be good at cutting and clipping it, right? Cut from newspaper, clip it somewhere, clip it somewhere. It is the no low code part. You already have a built-in component, you go there, you combine them to learn. So I would say to get into the entry into the coding part, learn some certification from Microsoft. So there are a lot of certification. You go for Azure, you go for Power BI, Power Application, Tableau, and all. So there is a scope to get entry.